Good morning, traders. I'm Nalnakshi Swami. Welcoming to my channel, Smart Index Edge. Yesterday, I introduced you to an indicator which is very, very powerful based on the RSI range shift that has been coded by Chart Prime. We should be thankful for those people who has done this great work. Till now, we were viewing the RSI on this panel. What if the RSI comes to this panel? Then it makes very easy for the price to locate where it is. And also it has been color coded with the sentiment shift. Green color, it is indicating 70. You can see the markings on the here itself it is marking 70. You need not look into the RSI every time and you have to guess and make it what is happening, looking back and looking up. Everything it's not tedious actually. Here, I wanted to show you many people will have, since it was a representation after the market has been closed and after the chart has been formed, everybody will have doubt unless they see with their own eyes and experience the price action with this range shift. RSI range shift. That's why I thought I'll make a replay mode for replay mode of this indicator so that you can understand how it behaves in the live market. Here, before shifting to the replay mode, I am on the Thursday chart because I need to replay on the Friday price action. So let us see what has happened in the even on Thursday itself, you can see the price on the previous day, it was near the 70. Immediately, when the market opened on Thursday, the first 5 minute candle dipped below. This is a big bearish candle. If I place the cursor, it has not gone below the 50. This candle, if I place this cursor, okay, let me bring this vertical line, it is just above the 50 line, but indicating weakness. And the next candle itself, the second candle itself, let me zoom it out so that second candle itself, it is showing drop, weakness. But in the live market, it will be a big bullish candle, reversal candle. People will have doubt because it is within the structure, within yesterday's, previous day's structure. It was an uphill formed over here. And people, it is a natural tendency for any trader to look for the support zones because we are tuned like that for us intraday supports and intraday resistance. And we will naturally look for this support zone and think that if a bullish candle is formed, people will start thinking, because many times it will do that. The market will not go down or anything, and many times it will reverse. At that time, RSI presentation will be different. Here, clearly indicated coming down, and RSI shift zone is plotted over here. A middle line has been plotted at 25,224 and the lower line has plotted around 25,210, indicating it as a resistance. Immediately you can take the position. Without any hesitation, you can take the position. You can see how the market. People do mistakes on intraday levels, buying this reversal, thinking this reversal. But here clearly RSI is below the 50 line and it is in a negative territory. Immediately, you can see around 11:15, a bearish sentiment was established in the market has come down below 30. So, on the chart itself, the candle has formed, color coded candle has formed. That is the beauty of this coding of this indicator. Purple candle has formed and a line has been plotted. A line has been plotted for the high of this candle and the low of this candle. A range has been plotted. So here, what happened is it did not go sideways, immediate breakdown. That was a fast breakdown because market already it is a acceleration mode. Now velocity has been picked up, velocity over here, and it had accelerated because when it comes below 30, it is an acceleration mode and it continued downwards. And intraday people would have made a mistake because still it is in a negative zone. No, people to do trade for reversal trades, they get trapped. That is the mistake what they do. When the trend has been established towards the downside, finish of the trade. Why do you want to go when a thunderstorm is coming? Why do you want to hold an umbrella and against that thunderstorm? It is like making a foolish attempt to go against this strong trend, buying the call option and ending up in losses. It's not the way. You should not do that. You have to be in this because many times market presents both the price action, down and up move. So now let us go for the replay button. I'm going to press the replay button. I'll start replaying from this level. Okay. Let me replay this so that you will see the price action with this RSI indicator in a playback mode. I've started this. See how the market gap down. A range shift has been made. Range has been plotted immediately. That is the beauty of this indicator. A negative sentiment. Even the blue candle, red candle, green candle, you are not going long in this. People do mistake. They think that it is a reversal. The market is going down. See the beauty. Watch this. No attempt actually. Even no attempt to this bearish sentiment, 50 or anything. It's complete bearish sentiment. It tried to around 11:30 or 11:50. Market tried to hit this base, could not succeed, and market is coming down. Don't do this mistake. It's a big bull bar. People think that it is a reversal. Many people think that reversal, this RSI range shift indicator will tell you, no, don't trade this. It is telling you why you want to go reversal trade. Already it is 1:15, 2 p.m. It's not going into the territory. So bears are in control on Friday, complete control. So now 2:45, let us see how the market ended. Now the replay mode has been closed. Many people will have problem even with the single indicator. You can, for this, you need a boundary for this. Suppose if the market pops up, you will have doubt in, you will go against the trend and you will try to take the trade. Let us combine this with another indicator, simple indicator, that is a volatility momentum indicator, that is Bollinger Band. Why Bollinger Band? Because, where is the Bollinger Band? Yeah, I am applying the Bollinger Band. This is the upper territory and lower territory. Sometimes when you, without this indicator, suppose if you hide this indicator, you will tend to make a mistake, because that is the strategy actually. If a price crosses above the 20 period moving average, it is a buy. People do mistake. So combining with this Bollinger Band is these bands are two standard deviations from the median line, that is 20 period moving average, like a boundary, setting up a boundary for your trade. Let us replay from here, because from here only you are getting a problem. Let me replay, press the replay button over here. From here, let us replay with the Bollinger Band. Yes, it has started. Just watch it. The market is moving down, uh, riding along the lower Bollinger Band. You can see at one point of time, around market goes like, usually it goes sideways. When it goes sideways, there comes the problem for every trader. You can see the price climbing above the Bollinger Band. It is fast actually, otherwise it would have been a green candle here. And clear breakdown, you can see with the Bollinger, you can combine this RSI range shift with the Bollinger Band as an amateur trader, or if you are not able to read the price action, you can utilize this combining with Bollinger Band, and you can trade with this. Even this also not a reversal, even though it has climbed big bull bar climbing above the Bollinger Band, because this is acting as a barrier. Negative sentiment. Down you can watch, everything is below 30 and 50 level. Even below 50 level is the sentiment is bearish. Only it has to go above this. See, even though the RSI tried to move higher, the sentiment is bearish. It has not gone to this level. So you are not going to take any intraday reversal trade thinking that it is a reversal accumulation and it may reverse. You do foolish attempt. Don't do this. Don't do this. With this indicator, let us go back to, let me show it to you on the basis of option trade also, so that you will be convinced about this indicator. Because the market on 31st, it went down. Let us select the 24,900 put option and let us replay it. Let me go back. I've pressed the replay button and I'm starting the replay button from here. Okay. See, already on the previous day, on the Thursday itself, it is in the bullish territory. Bullish sentiment had been established in the put option. So you can see how the continuation of this. I'm playing it. I play. Yes. Play has started. See, you're not going to trade on the first bar because it is coming out of the Bollinger Band and a range candle has been established. You need to wait for the range has to be established, and range has been, you need to watch for the whether this range is going to hold or not. Range low, you can mark that is 70 rupees, and the middle line was 88 rupees. If you would have taken, considering this as a bullish range shift, you could have made so much money. It is playing, it is going 157, 107, even it went up to 200 more. This is 11:30 dip. At that time, Nifty popped up. See how it is moving. It is above the upper Bollinger Band and it is traveling along the upper Bollinger Band. No weakness. You can see one more range plotting. Probably on Nifty it had plotted. Let us see whether it has been plotted. Any bullish range is plotting, because now the time is around 12 or something, 1 o'clock. See the price action. It is 161. Two p.m. No weakness. No dipping down to this area. 108. You can comfortably hold the position when it dipped down to around 11:30 p.m., 11:30 a.m. That is around, the price was around 113. So this is the playback mode. I tried to show you how you could have taken in the index as well as in the option buying. This helps. Sometimes it may go sideways. On that day, it may, you need to see that how it moves sideways. Probably here you can see it has moved sideways after the up move on Thursday, expiry day. It has gone sideways, but still it was a bearish sentiment. I mean, bullish sentiment was plotted here. Anybody who would have dared to take the position overnight would have made lot of money. Okay, friends, thank you very much. Nalnakshi Swami.